It's a bit early, but let's do March 2026 Curated Bead Box unboxing. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. In today's video, I actually got a surprise in the mail. I got the March 2026 Curated Bead Box, and it's quite a bit early. Usually I get it like the first week of March, but this month, it comes just a little bit early. It's not in the bag that it normally comes in. I guess they've changed their packaging and they've just got this plastic over it. So it's not a surprise anymore because I've already seen what's in it as far as the picture goes. But anyway, let's go ahead and flip it around and let me show you. Okay, we've got Wild Orchid. So let me open up this box and get everything situated, and then we'll go through it. All right, so for the very first one, we have 12 millimeter purple glass pearl bead on an 8-inch string. And it looks like that. That's the biggest one I have of the purple. Next, we have 10 millimeter blue-gray duo style glass beads on a 6-inch string. So I believe that's this one. Let's get this up. Okay, those are pretty together, those two. Okay, next we have 10 millimeter dusty pink gray duo style bead. I believe that's this one. Move this box over. I think that's blocking some of this light. Then we have a 10 millimeter dark purple crackle glass bead on a 8-inch string. Yeah, that's the crackle glass. And I love my crackle glass. Okay, now we're out of the 10 millimeter. Let's go to 8. So we've got 8 millimeter red marble style glass bead on a 16-inch string. It's a real pretty deep, almost a blood red. Next, we have 8 millimeter Jasper style glass bead on a 16-inch string. It must be this one. Jasper comes in different colors, but it must be this one. I know what's missing. There we go. I knew something. It looked awful darker than normal. Next we have 8 millimeter crimson marble style glass bead on a 16-inch string. And And it must be this. That's the only string I have left. It's pretty. So. Okay, we're out of the 8mm. We're out of all the strings now. So next we have approximately 1 ounce Wild Orchid Designer Bead Mix. And of course, if you watch this with me, we always get a bead mix. Hey, those are some really pretty colors. I like that combination. Yeah, I like that. Next, we have 14mm silver dot druzy style glass beads. And there are 6 beads. And that's these guys. I like these. Then we have 10mm triangle silver metal spacer bead. Then we have 68mm flower silver metal pendant. What is that? That's cute. And finally, we have a 90 by 70mm pillow gift box, 3 boxes. This is twice that they've done this. They did this last month too. I'm not liking this. No disrespect to them, but I'm not liking. I mean, some of y'all might like these gift boxes, but I'd rather have something else. Either more spacer beads or something. I don't like the gift boxes, but that's just my opinion. Like I said, I'm not trying to talk bad about them because everything else I like, but I'm not liking those gift boxes, so hopefully they won't continue that. And anyway, and with the Curated Bead Box, we always get like a starter kit, a finding starter kit. And it always comes with, you got your beading wire. Well, no, that's memory wire, beading wire, your head pins, crimp tubes, there's ear wires, lobster clasp, lobster clasp, and here's some elastic string, and then some Jumprings. So they always give you something to get started. All you need is your tools, but you got everything else to get started to make some, your jewelry. Let me pull you down here. So if you are new to Curated Bead Box, they are like any other Curated Bead Box company. They come up with a theme each month, and then they curate beads to match that theme. And they have a subscription. You pay a monthly fee, and then they send it out once a month, and you can cancel it anytime. They are, I think it costs like right around 20 bucks a month, and that includes shipping and taxes. And if this is your first go around with them and you want to try them out, I will leave their link in my description box below. So click on that. And then also, if it's your very first time, then in the code box, put April 35. It's lowercase a, everything's all together, but April 35. And that will get you 35% off of your very first order. And that usually brings it down to roughly around 17 bucks for your very first box. I have been with them about 2 years now, and I really do, like being with them. Otherwise, I would have quit by now. So, that's it in a nutshell. That's Curated Bead Box. So hopefully you will go, especially if you're new, wanting to get into jewelry making. You will go and you'll try them out and see what you think. Get a kind of a cheaper way to get you started and see if you really want to do this or not. So anyway, that is all for March, even though we're a day early. Now, I don't know when this will get posted. I don't know if it'll be tonight or the next day or two. but I did get it a day early because this is February the 28th. But it is early, and this is March 2026 Curated Bead Box. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I really appreciate you hanging out with me. And go check them out. And I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.